Car insurance quotes. In this video, we will discuss third point of car insurance quotes. Step 3. Check if cashback sites can you beat your top quote for its comparison site. If you use cashback sites, you will know that if you get your car insurance for them, they will get a lead fee for sending you on to the insurer. Once they are paid the fee by the insurer, the cashback will either to pay directly to you. So some are now starting to only pay cashback to a charity. It should displayed alongside the insurance provider. If payment will be to a charity, but you check if you are unsure. It is also worth knowing buying the way can sometimes beat going to the comparison sites above. But do you check your quote through a cashback? Cashback site is not more expensive, and it's best to think cashback as a bonus. Cashback as a bonus rather than 100% guaranteed, as sometimes the deal is not tracked or the cash paid out.